loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a 60s makeup look which is very bold in eye and colored eye. Then if you want to know how I created this look, please stay tuned.
Yeah.
This is my naked face. Today I'm going to use a sunscreen which is from Biotique Sunshield sunscreen. This is a gel based one and this one is a matte. It works superb on oily skin in summer. I'm applying all over my face till it absorbs. After that I'm using a moisturizer. For moisturizer I'm using a Biotique Bio Whitening Coconut Cream. Now I'm going to do a color corrector. For color corrector I'm using NYB color corrector palette. I'm using that rusty orange on my pigmentation area which is around my mouth and under eyes and on a dark spots. For foundation I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in shade 338 Spicy Brown. I'm dotting the foundation all around my face. Today I'm not gonna use a beauty blender. I'm using a kabuki brush, that is flat top brush. I'm stippling downwards and spreading all over the face. I'm spreading the foundation in a circular motion and downwards, then only it spreads and blend well. For concealer I'm using a same palette from NYB. I'm taking in on my fingers and dapping under my eyes and bridge of nose, around my mouth. Applying on my T-zones, that is a highlighting zone. Now I'm blending with a small brush. Literally my face looks like a monkey. And after that I blended with a kabuki brush. To set my face I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in shade medium 30. I'm taking with the same foundation brush and baking under my eyes and nose and around my mouth. I'm applying all over my face, but I'm applying more loose powders on my T-zones only because quickly I get a oil on, so I'm loading more powder on that area. For concealing my eye, I'm using a Fit Me concealer. I'm in shade deep 35, not my shade. This is lighter for me, so I'm using on my eye area. I'm dapping with my small foundation brush and setting with a loose powder. Now I'm taking a grey shade from the palette Beauty Glazed. I'm applying on my transition area and crease line and blending well. The middle of my lid, I'm gonna use this palette. From this palette I'm using a white shade. This is a smoky eyeshadow from the brand Queen something, I exactly don't know. I'll give you in a description box. Now I'm filling my eyebrow little darker. On 60s they do only a dark eyebrow, so I'm filling little darker and correcting with a spoolie. Today I'm going to use this blue liner from the brand LA Girl. I'm gonna do a bold liner, wing liner from this blue eyeliner. I'm gonna do a wing liner cause mostly in vintages and retro looks they always wear a huge wing liner. For eyeliner, I'm using a Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner. I am doing a outline for the blue eyeliner, which I already draw very bold. I am making an outline of that. Now I'm cleaning the eyeliner, excess eyeliner with the same Fit Me concealer. Today I'm not going to use the kajal. I'm using a black shade from the palette Beauty Glazed and smudging under my waterline. For mascara, I'm using a hypercurl mascara from my Maybelline. I'm using on my upper lashes and lower lashes. Now I'm removing excess loose powder from the face with a clean brush and adding a highlighter on my cheekbones and the tip of nose. For lips, I'm gonna use a lip liner. This lip liner I bought it from a drugstore, so I don't know the shade. And for lipstick, NYB nude shade. Before that, I am moisturizing the lip with my Blue Heaven lip balm and drawing a lip liner, and after that I applied a NYB nude lipstick. So guys, this is my final look of 60s makeup look, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and tell me in a comment section. And thank you so much for watching guys, and meet you on another video guys. Bye bye.